Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we just got back from a test drive in a 1969 Nova. This car ran great on the test drive. I'd like for you to check that video out for sure. This one has a 400 under the hood. Nice and clean. No power steering on this car. Drum brakes. It's got a good look to it though. Had plenty of power on the test drive. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Got detailed pictures, finance options, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Actually, on the test drive, I kind of broke something. We'll have it fixed, but kind of broke the license plate. I went to put gas in it and pulled down on it, and springs went flying. So that's just going to be in the video, but it won't be like that when you show up. But we're going to go ahead and start over here. I do have financing options on my website, also shipping. I can ship this car all over the nation. We do cars every single day, so definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to let you know every time we post. Starting up here in the front, I can tell there's a little bit of wear on the front bumper. You see how it's got a little bit of that oxidation popping up, some haziness on top there. The grille looks pretty good on this one. Get my shadow out of there so you can actually see it. I will be looking for any kind of rust flaws, chips, scratches. Gonna be popping the trunk in this video, checking everything out. Still got insulation under the hood, not in all the spots it was supposed to be. The trim's got some little nicks and scratches on it too. It's not perfect. Decent looking stripes down the side of the car here. Nice tires. Checking the bottoms of the doors to see if I see any bubbles popping up, but there's a dent down here. Do you see the dent? Looks like a little patchwork down here at the bottom. Door handle's got a little bit of oxidation on it as well. See some of this trim's oxidized. Probably get some polish out and probably clean up. A little bit of a gap on the trunk there. It does not line up perfect. We will be opening the trunk here in just a moment. They put a new rear bumper on this car. Nice and clean. Trim's oxidized on this side as well. Checking the bottoms of the doors on this side for any imperfections. See the vent window's got some oxidation on the lever there. Some of the weather stripping's dry cracked. All right, we made it around the car here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the keys out of the interior and pop the trunk. We'll see what's in there. Door opens nice and easy. I just felt some new weather stripping around the door. Looks like a new door panel. Seat's been replaced. Back seat's been replaced. And this interior looks great. Does need a dome light. They've done the dash pad and all, so the only thing they didn't change was the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and check the trunk out here. Weather stripping around the trunk looks nice and new. Looking all around in the trunk, it doesn't look bad at all. Spare tire, nice and clean on the lid. Package tray looked pretty solid, so. And it shuts nice and easy. Coming up on the driver's door, like I said, it's been replaced. You can see the panel looks great. Door handle's new. Weather stripping's new. Carpet's been replaced in this car. And we've already looked around the interior, so give you one more glance. You think the horn works? Go ahead and place your bets. On this channel we do a little game. Some of the horns work in these old classics, and some don't. Start this. Woo! Air controls are not going to work. The blower motor wasn't cutting on. It is showing 70,000 miles on the dash. Trying to get some of this glare down from the sun. It's very bright right now. I can't stand behind the mileage on a car that's 69 model. Windshield wipers do work. Y'all done the horn bets yet? Let's try it. It's clicking, but it's not blowing no tunes. Nice and quiet up under the hood here. Do need a fan shroud, that way you don't get hurt. Actually helps funnel the heat. Go ahead and shut the hood down. You do got to wobble it back and forth so you don't bend it. Just kind of rock it a little bit, not too much to tear anything up. The hood actually lines up nice. I will be giving you some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. I do have multiple detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Definitely check it out. Finance information, all of our inventory, and shipping. We always start in the front. Today we're going to start in the back. Give you some undercarriage shots. Here we go. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. I've already told you to check out maplemotors.com. If you're interested in any of these vehicles, watch both of the videos that I've put out here on YouTube. There's a test drive of this. You can actually click on the last 30 seconds of this video. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.